What's up, Vintage fam? I'm Ryan with Thrift Vintage Fashion based in Miami, Florida. And today we're going to be unboxing a 10-pack of pro sports t-shirts. This is one of our best-selling packs. I'm excited to show it to you guys. Our wholesale packs always come in mixed men's sizes, small to extra large, with maybe a little bit of a plus size and a little bit of extra small. Without further ado, let's check it out. Expect to find decades 80s, 90s, 2000s, and current in here. This one looks to be late 80s, early 90s. There is some cool cracking on the graphic. Most people don't seem to mind. That's the uniqueness of vintage clothing, just one of the really cool factors. Our Pro Sports tees are one of our best-selling mixes. People love them all over the world. We do ship all over the world. Some of our biggest markets are in New Zealand, Australia, and Canada. We get excellent shipping rates. Really popular, the fulls are on fire. We do include a small percentage of long sleeve in our t-shirt mixes as well. This one's got some cool embroidery patched in on a lead tag. If you don't have a store and you're just looking to get some of these for yourself, we do offer shop for yourself on our website. You can order in size packs of 3 pieces per category. The sports include all famous American sports: football, basketball, baseball, and hockey. Mix of all teams from all those sports. As for what to expect for the grade, it's all grade A quality with up to 15% grade B. Our grade B is minor holes and stains. We also do not launder the clothing, so we do include washable stains as well. And that's it for a 10-pack of Pro Sports tees. We hope you like it. If you did enjoy the video, please like, subscribe, and share it. Thank you so much.